Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain you how to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence. I'll show you there are some rules and regulations. I'll show you the pattern of changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence. So I want to participate in the Bible quiz. Okay, so this is the sentence we have. Participate in the Bible quiz. Okay, so first of all you have to identify the verb. Okay, so want to participate. This can be the verb and this is a physical action of a subject. So, I am participating. So, this is an action done by the subject I. First person singular. So, today I'll explain you how to change, okay, this sentence into a negative. First of all, you have to identify the verb as I told you already. Whenever you want to make a question tag or if you want to change a normal sentence into an interrogative sentence or so whatever the way, whatever the procedure, I mean, first of all, you have to identify the verb. Verb is very important in the sentence while you are changing a positive into negative, a sentence into a question and interrogative negative. Okay, so even if you want to change a question tag, even if you want to construct a question tag for a normal sentence, you have to identify the verb. Verb is very important. So here not the physical verb, not the action verb. So here, okay, we need helping verb. Okay, as it is a normal verb, you cannot write that I want not participate in the Bible quiz. That's not correct. So you have to imagine one verb in the place of want. Okay, so want is a regular verb. So this is the first form of the verb. Wanted, wanted. So these are the three forms of the verb want. Okay, so this is V1, V2 and V3. Okay, if it is a third person singular in simple present tense, then wants. She wants, he wants, it wants. Okay, so that is the format you have to follow. So this is a simple present tense, simple past tense, past participle and simple present tense with a third person singular. Okay, for example, he, she, it, then you have to use this one. Okay, for he, she, it, for these three subjects you have to use wants. Okay, so here it is in the first form. You have to imagine the helping verb do in the absence of the helping verb. So, do, did and done. And here does. Because wants, no? So, that's why does you have to imagine in the absence of those verbs. Okay. So, as we do not have the helping verb, so we took do, did, done. Okay. As it is in the V1, that means the first form of the verb want. So, in the place of that, you have to imagine as if you have do. Okay. So, you have do in the sentence. After that, I want, I told you, in the place of want, you have to imagine do. Okay, as you cannot add negation to the want not. Okay, so this is wrong. So you cannot do like that. But you can add negation to the helping verb. I do not. Okay, so I do not, then you can write the whole sentence as it is. I do not want to participate in the Bible quiz. In the Bible quiz. While you are writing the religious scriptures, religious books like Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, so there you have to use the capital letter only. Bible quiz. Okay, so this is the way of changing a positive sentence into negative sentence. We just found out the verb. So want is the verb. It is in the first form. So that's why we used do in the place of that. And we add negation to that do not. So do not, and we wrote the whole sentence as it is. Want to participate in the Bible quiz. So I do not want to participate in the Bible quiz. So that is the correct format. And let me explain you another sentence. Okay. Let me explain you the second sentence. I'll show you the pattern. There are different types of sentences. I'll show you how to change each and every type from positive to negative. Okay. Usually we need to use only the negation not. If you add negation, then you can make it as a negative sentence. So I'll show you the way. It can be very lucid, that means very easy one. You'll definitely understand. These can be helpful for your exams. Okay, and the next sentence, they are Indians. They are Indians. So it is also a helping verb. Are. These can be called as be forms. Is, am, are can be the be forms. Okay. Be forms. talks about the existence. She is in the classroom. Talks about the existence of a person. Where is she? She is in the classroom. Okay, so then you can use are. So as we got the helping verb, so then you can add negation without thinking about anything. So they are plus not. Okay, they are plus not. We are adding negation to the helping verb are. Then we can make it as a negative sentence. So they are not Indians. So as we are talking about the nationality, first letter should be capital. Whether it is Americans, Italians, okay, whoever it is, the people talks about the nationality, Africans, first letter should be capital. If it is Africans, A should be capital. Indians, I should be capital. Americans, A should be capital. First letter should be capital. So they are not Indians. So this is the way of changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence. This is second one. And the third one, she was playing chess. She was playing chess. She was playing chess. As I told you, we have helping verb and also the action verb. So she is playing. Okay, the action is done by the subject. Playing. So there it is a helping verb and this is an action verb. You have to think about only the helping verb. Okay, so helping verb we got. So this can be the helping verb. You need to think about only the helping verb. If you add negation to that, then you can make it as a negative sentence. If you write that one in the front section, then you can make it as a question. So always we deal with the helping verb only. So was plus not. If you add negation to that helping verb not, then you can construct a negative sentence. She was not. Okay, we added only not to the helping verb was. Okay, so was not. Then you can continue the remaining sentence as it is. She was not playing chess. Okay, so this is the way of changing positive sentence into a negative sentence. Okay, so next one, I am a doctor. Next one, I am a doctor. I am a doctor. So you just have to identify the verb. As I told you, be forms, is, am, are, those can also be considered as a helping verbs. So am can be the verb. So here you have to add negation to this am. Okay, first of all you have to identify the verb. After identifying the helping verb, not the action verb, then you can add negation to that. If it is not possible, then you have to use do, have, all of them. It depends upon the tense of a sentence. If it is wanted, then you have to take did. Okay, if it is wants, then you have to take does. Okay, for all the verbs, same procedure. If it is teach, I teach English. In the place of teach, taught, taught. Those are the three forms. So in the place of teach, you have to take do. Taught, did. Taught, done. If it is teaches, then does. Okay, so that is the format you have to follow. So I am not a doctor. So here we got am as a verb. You have to add negation to that. I am not. Then you can write the whole sentence as it is. I am not, okay, a doctor. You know, to make you understand, I wrote here, but even if you write like this, this is also correct. I am not a doctor. So this is the way of changing positive sentence into a negative sentence. Okay. And the next one, we were being. Even the sentences are very large. Don't think about them. First of all, you have to identify the verb is very important. Don't think about the whole sentence and don't worry about it. If you find the verb, that is enough. So we were being absent-minded for yesterday's class. We were being absent-minded for yesterday's class. That means we didn't listen anything. Yesterday's. So here I kept apostrophe. That means yesterday's. Yesterday yokka. Okay, class. Yesterday yokka class lo memem vinledu. So this is the type of sentence. We were being absent-minded for yesterday's class. Yesterday class has, class took place and we didn't listen, we were absent-minded yesterday. So after that, you have to identify the verb. Were is a verb and being is verb. Okay, so here you have to identify only the helping verb. As I told you, is, am, are. So in the place of are, if it is a past tense, then you can use were. Okay, so this can also be the helping verb. You have to add not to that. Okay, were not. So we were not. After adding not, we were not. If they ask you to write shortened form, we weren't. Okay, we were not. Then you can continue the whole sentence as it is. Absent minded. Absent minded for yesterday's class. For yesterday's class. Okay, so this is the sentence and you have to follow these rules while you are changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Okay, then another sentence. You are being absent-minded for yesterday's class. So this is one sentence. And she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Sorry, small letter only you have to write. Beautiful girl. So at the time you have to find out the helping verb. As I told you, be forms is, am, are can also be considered as helping verbs. So here is can be the helping verb. You have to add negation to that is plus not, is not. So she, we are not writing anything, we are not making anything extra. We are simply writing the subject she as it is, but we are writing the verb plus negation not. This is the only change we made. And the whole sentence as it is. You can write as it is. Beautiful girl. Okay, she is not a beauty. This is the only thing we added. If they would have asked you to make it as a shortened form, then she isn't a beautiful girl. So this is the format you have to follow for changing a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Next one. Next one is she can cook the food. She can cook the food. Can always represents the capability of a person or capacity of a person. That means a person can be able to cook the food. She is worthy enough to cook the food. That means she can do that. She is able to do that. So here you can use can always talks about capability and capacity, as I told you. వాళ్ళు చేయగలరు ఈ పని అని చెప్పేటప్పుడు then you can use this verb. So this is also a helping verb. You could compete. You could compete in the game. Okay, that means you are capable of competing in the competition. You are capable of participating, and also you can be a competitive one. నువ్వు పోటీ పడడానికి అర్హుడవే, ఎందుకైనా ఖచ్చితంగా నువ్వు చేయగలవు. Could always talks about the capacity of a person or ability of a person, capability of a person. That means he is able to do something. So you are telling to someone that he is able to compete in the game. He is able to play in that game and he can also succeed, okay, in the game. So you could. So this is an auxiliary verb. If you add negation to that not, you could not. You we are writing simply without making any changes. Could also you can write normally. Okay, could is also common, but simply we add not. Then you can write compete also same. In is also common. In order to make you understand, I am writing everything. The is common and game is also common. We didn't make any changes in the whole sentence. Only we did one change, that is not. We added not to that helping verb. Okay, so that is the only change we did. And next sentence is I like perfumes. I like perfumes. Okay, I like perfumes. So if you find a sentence like this, we do not have any helping verb, but we have the verb here, like. So in the place of that like, we can take a helping verb do. Okay, because it is in the first form of the verb, like, liked, liked. This is V1. So we got V1 form. So if we got V1, then do. If it is V2, then did. V3, done. And if it is likes, third person singular, then you have to take does. Sorry, here done you have to write. And it is does. Okay, so these are all the formats you have to remember. If it is like V1, then you have to take do. If it is V2, liked, then did. If it is liked, V3, then done. If it is likes, third person singular, she likes, he likes, and it likes. So that is the way of writing. When you get third person singular, then you have to start a sentence like that. She likes, he likes, it likes. Whatever he likes or whatever she likes doesn't matter, but you have to use, when you are talking about the simple present tense, then you have to use only S form to the verb for all these subjects. He, she, it. Okay. So now, as I told you, for like you have to take only do because it is V1. Okay. So then, in the absence of that, you have imagined do is presented here. Then you have to add negation to that helping verb. Then you can write the verb as it is, like, then perfumes. That is also common. We are simply writing imitating the whole sentence. We are simply copying the whole sentence as it is. We simply took, in the place of like, we took the helping verb do. Then we added not to that helping verb, do not. Then we wrote the verb as it is. I do not like perfumes. Okay, so next one. They have pens. Next one. They have pens. So here we got have. So you have to take the helping verb do only here also. Okay, do should be present here because it is have. Those three forms, have, had, had. These are the three forms, V1, V2 and V3. Okay, do, did, done. For those three forms, you have to imagine like this according to the tense. If it is in the simple present tense, do, had, simple past tense, did, past participle, done. Okay, so now it is in the simple present tense, have. So that's why you have to use do only. So there you can write normally. Then do, in the place of have, we are writing do. Then you have to add negation to that do. Then you can write the verb, do not have pens. Okay, so this is the continuation for this. They do not have pens. So these are the rules you have to remember while you are changing a positive sentence into negative sentence. I hope you understood this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.